Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the new update is active because mechanics changed. Once done, check your cat's stamina and the HUD for the exit icon. You want at least 20% stamina and either a collar or key equipped to interact with doors. Press the exit icon to reveal nearby boundaries, then move toward the highlighted doorway. Tap and hold to sprint if the path is clear. Make sure to save before attempting early outdoor triggers, as spawning differs from previous versions. Once at the door zone, you'll trigger a short cutscene. This confirms outdoor access in the new patch, so watch for dialogue prompts. After the cutscene, use crouch to sneak past patrolling NPCs. If they detect you, back up and retry with a speed burst. You can also access outside by jumping through windows or climbing low fences. Look for white jump markers that indicate climbable surfaces. Make sure to balance stealth and stamina. Timing your jumps prevents fall damage and resets enemies. To finish, complete the outdoor tutorial objective. This unlocks free roam and confirms permanent outside access. If you don't see the objective, reload the nearest checkpoint and retry the door sequence. Make sure experimental options aren't blocking new features. If the area still fails to load, toggle the version-specific settings, then relaunch the game. As a last resort, document the bug with device model, game version, step-by-step reproduction, and screenshots. Then report it so developers can patch any lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.